The supervillain swings here at Six Flags Fiesta in San Antonio, Texas. I really like all of these things to tell you about the, yes, I just ran into that. They tell you about the supervillains. Reverse Flash and the Riddler and Catwoman. So this is one of two sets of swings they have. The other one goes really, really high up into the air. Also, you'll see that the latch is a little different. On the other one, the latch latches onto the bottom of the seat. On this one, it latches onto the bar, which I think may make it easier to actually do for a bigger person. Formerly known as the whirligig, this has a height requirement of 48 inches. But does it pass the fat test? All right, so here's the seats. They look pretty tiny. They love that copyrighted music. As you can tell, this one buckles to the top of it, whereas the Sky Screamer actually buckled to the bottom. This would make it easier to get into, but yep, unfortunately, the seat is too tiny. Swings fails the fat test. On to the next one.